Hi there, and welcome to the next trading video. In this video I'm going to do it a bit different. I'm not actually going to go to the spreadsheet this time. I think by now you know how to set up a spreadsheet. So I've just went to trader line, and as you can see I've put my bets on the correct scores. 0-0, 1 each and 2 each. Total stakes is £30. Right, I'll just go to the match market, and I've laid the draw for £11 with a total liability of just over £28 in the draw. Right, so that's my pre-match bets that are on. Right, I've come back after 63 minutes and the match is still 0-0, which is really good for us. So in the meantime, I've been laying the draw in the match odds market. So I'll just go and show you. Right, I've laid the draw for a total liability of £68. So at this stage now, I can't really lose in this game. If this game can stay 0-0 for another 10-15 minutes, I'll make a nice profit. So if it's a home win or an away win, I will win £37. So my liability is now £70 in this match. So things are going pretty well. If I wanted, I can actually start laying the 0-0 draw just now in the correct score market, just to take the liability down on the 0-0. And I'll just come back again, hopefully either at the end or on a goal scored. Right, I'm back after 77 minutes, and as you can see, the away team scored. It's not too bad because we have laid quite a bit of the draw. I've actually got a liability on the correct score market of £26 now, because I laid some of the 0-0 before the goal went in. And I've got a liability of the draw of £73 on the match odds market. So at this point I'm looking at a not bad profit, not too bad at all. If I wanted to, I could just trade out and just accept this profit. It's showing as negative £1.72 in the correct score market, and it's showing plus £14.10 in the match odds market. So if I wanted to, I could trade out for a £12 profit at the moment. Right, I've come back after 90 minutes and it's still 1-0 to the away team. So I'm just going to let this match run its course basically and take the profits. I'll maybe put a few small lays in on the leading team, just in case there is a last minute goal or two. Right, so that's a couple of small lays put in. All this is doing is just taking the liability of the drawdown. It does decrease my profits slightly, but the odds are so small that it doesn't make that much of a difference, to be honest. Right, so it's near enough full time, so it's looking pretty certain it's going to finish 1-0 to the away team. Yeah, there's literally a minute left. So I've got a liability of negative £26 in the correct score market. So I'm going to lose £26 there. But that's going to be covered by the match odds market. I'll just go back to the match odds market. Right, it looks like there's something happening there. I don't know if that's a full-time whistle or there's been a goal scored. I suspect it's a full-time whistle. Yeah, it's a full-time whistle. So I've got a £38 profit in the match odds market. So in total for this game, it was around about a £12 profit, which wasn't too bad. It was a pretty easy trade. That's all for the last of these trading videos, and I'll see you in the next video.